You may be wondering, as an INFP, how do I stop stressing out about the future? The answer is simple. You don't. You can't. You're a human being, but you can learn to manage your stress in a way that's healthy for you and those around you. Hey, I'm Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where we help you discover your true character and level it up so you can play life better. So here's the thing. If you want to stop stressing out about the future, it's not going to happen overnight. You've spent your whole life learning how to worry about things that haven't happened yet. So it's going to take some time for you to kind of unlearn that habit. You can speed this up through hypnosis and neurolinguistic programming, but here are some tips and techniques to help get you started. So first, take breaks. Take breaks when you need them. Take care of yourself first. The world will keep turning while you're eating dinner or taking a shower, or you watch your favorite Netflix show or something like that. So take as many breaks as you need to recharge your batteries so that you can actually get out there and get back to work when it's time for you to do that and when you're ready for it. You don't need to feel any sort of way about asking or telling somebody that you just need some time to recharge right now. Also, question the anxiety. Why are you stressing out about the future? Is it because you're worried about making the right decision, or do you fear that your choices will lead you to results that you don't want, or that you'll be stuck with them? Are you concerned that if you don't take the right path now, then things might not work out, later on in the future? Well, here's what I've learned. It's okay to be uncertain. It's okay to not know what's going to happen next. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. And actually, you have to. That's part of life. It's definitely okay to make some bad decisions because, even if they don't work out as planned, you can still have a complicated success and actually learn something from it. They teach you things about yourself and about the world and about who you are capable of becoming. The future is only scary when you're being passive and letting it happen to you. So when you start taking intentional action and control of your life, and you start getting more of what you want in life, you then emerge as someone who is more capable of handling whatever life brings. And that right there, that stops stress. Knowing that you are capable of handling whatever comes. So if this video helped you, please share it with your friends or somebody who you think it might resonate with. And if you'd like to learn more about how to live a meaningful and purposeful, fulfilling life as an INFP, then head over to inowfeelpositive.com. Good luck, have fun.